The object storage private cloud solutions are currently still holding a lot of your defense, medical data, financial data. So when Enron started shredding paper behind locked doors, we were building a platform to ensure that you could have a system that ensures data is immutable, protected, and audited. And so those are things that are sort of ingrained in our system from day one in 2003. So auditing is really important, because if a piece of content disappears, you want to know when it went and who did it. Not necessarily to do anything particularly bad, but to maybe introduce more processes or train the person who released that data. And in a freelancer-heavy market, where people are laying off sort of permanent staff and using a lot of freelancers at the moment, freelancers don't adhere to the same corporate ownership as employees do. You know, they're a bit more lax at times with, or can be with people's data. So having systems in place that ensure that you've got good digital content governance is really important. So where's my data? Is it in 2 locations? Can I fail over if there's a local outage, or God forbid, I can't get in my building for some random reason? You know, can I work from home? Can I find this stuff? So your point on metadata, if you've got or use a MAM, if your MAM goes down, you can't get hold of your data, right? Simple. It'll be very hard to do that. With an object storage platform like Matrix Store, we actually extract metadata from the assets that land in Matrix Store, so you can find it without having a MAM. So it's future-proof access to your data, and that's what you've got to think about when choosing a platform: is resilience, portability of data, portability of metadata, and can I access this data that I own in the future in a cloud platform? Sort of being wary of people making it proprietary. So yeah, we do automatic disaster recovery, full business continuity built into the solution, be that, you know, on-prem, off-prem. And again, you know, if a file was written to us by an Avid environment, you can read it with any of our tools. So you're not tied into the application either. Because future-proof access to the data you own might sound like a given, but it's certainly not for many applications and storage platforms. So you know, we ensure we do that, but with the highest levels of security built in.